AKASO EK7000 Pro 4K Action Camera. Your adventure's 4K wingman, dive buddy, and memory maker with touchscreen and zoom. Capture life in breathtaking 4K with the AKASO EK7000 Pro Action Camera. Featuring a powerful 4K 30fps resolution and 20 megapixels photo clarity, this action cam records every thrilling second in stunning detail. Its 2-inch IPS touchscreen makes navigation and settings a breeze, so you can focus on the moment, not the menu. Whether it's a rugged mountain bike ride or a high-speed ski trip, this camera's got you covered with electronic image stabilization for ultra-smooth shots. Equipped with a durable waterproof case, the AKASO EK7000 Pro can dive up to 131 feet, making it a must-have for underwater adventures. Capture vibrant underwater scenes in all their glory with the diving mode, which enhances red hues to deliver realistic colors. From snorkeling to diving, you'll have clear, true-to-life memories of every splash and thrill. Compared to standard action cams, the EK7000 Pro's depth capability sets it leagues apart. With a 2.4 GHz wireless remote, you can operate the camera from a distance, making it perfect for sports like skiing, cycling, and surfing. You'll never miss a moment thanks to the hands-free convenience, even while in action. Built-in Wi-Fi allows you to quickly connect to your smartphone, letting you view and share your epic moments instantly. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to real-time sharing with the iSmart DV app. Battery life is no concern here. This action camera comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, each lasting up to 140 minutes. That's almost 5 hours of recording, so you won't be interrupted mid-adventure. Forget about pricey extra batteries. The AKASO EK7000 Pro is built to keep going. Packed with an accessory kit compatible with most action cameras, including GoPro, it's also ready to adapt to every adventure with ease and reliability. The AKASO EK7000 Pro isn't just for extreme sports. It's also your go-to for daily vlogs, time-lapse photography, and more. Thanks to features like loop recording and upside-down mode, you can use it as a dashcam or for creative filming angles. Its superior quality, durability, and versatility make it a smart investment for anyone who loves documenting life's unforgettable moments. Don't settle. Capture with clarity, stability, and style with the EK7000 Pro.